I'm going to show you how to reduce the lag in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you're using a stable and wired connection, not Wi-Fi. Avoid Wi-Fi if possible. And then you will have to open up your task manager, like this one here, and then go to processes and look for the ones that are quite intensive and using a lot of CPU and memory, and make sure to close and shut down every process that you don't actually need, and leave only Parsec and any process that you need to run. Now let's move to the settings. Open up Parsec and then go to the settings tab, and from the host tab right here, click on it and scroll down till you find the bandwidth limit, and make sure to set a reasonable limit, for example 25 up to 50 Mbps depending on your network speed. And also make sure that you're using hardware encoding such as NVIDIA encoder or AMD encoder. You can scroll down in the same tab and look for the hardware encoder or encoder tab and switch that settings. And if you don't find it for some reason, you can scroll all the way down and click on edit the configuration file directly. And in this config file, you want to add the following line, which is encoder underscore selection equals 1 for NVIDIA encoder, 2 for AMD, and 3 for CPU or Intel encoder. You can leave it at 1 for NVIDIA and then press save and close out of this file. Now you want to go back to the settings tab and this time go to the client and then scroll down and set the encoder to NVIDIA. If you're using the NVIDIA encoder, set the decoder to NVIDIA as well. Otherwise, you can switch it to software if you're not using hardware encoder. And you gotta turn this on for software. Otherwise, if you're using NVIDIA, you can turn this off. And that's pretty much it for the settings. And one last thing you can do as well is turn off VSync if it's already enabled. And then you can close Parsec and restart it again, and this should fix and reduce the lag issues. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.